Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, installing ChatGPT on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open the App Store. First things first, unlock your iPhone and locate the App Store icon. It's that iconic blue icon with a white A on it. Tap to open it up. Step 2. Search for ChatGPT. Now, we'll need to search for ChatGPT in the App Store's search bar. The search icon is on the right bottom corner. Type it in and hit the search button. Step 3. Select ChatGPT app. Among the search results, you'll find the ChatGPT app. It should have the distinctive logo we saw earlier. Tap on it to open the app page. Step 4. Download and install. On the app page, you'll see a Get button. Tap on it, and then confirm your download by tapping Install when prompted. If you have Touch ID or Face ID enabled, you might be asked for authentication. Step 5. Open ChatGPT. After the installation is complete, you'll see the ChatGPT app icon on your home screen. Tap on it to launch the app. Step 6. Log in or create account. Now, if you already have a ChatGPT account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new here, you'll need to create an account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Step 7. Start chatting. With the app open and your account set up, you're ready to start chatting. Simply tap on the Start New Conversation button or choose from any existing conversations to begin interacting with ChatGPT. And there you have it. You've successfully installed ChatGPT on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.